Yo, so I go to pick up my wife from her boyfriend's house and I got like a flat tire. So thankfully I had one of these. If you don't know what this is just an electrical air compressor. It's a tire pump basically. It's got a bunch of settings. You could fill up your tires on your car, your bicycle, motorcycle, all that stuff. Plus you could fill like balls with it. Pause. Not only can you inflate everything, it actually has a couple charging ports on it, so you can like charge up your phone and you can adjust the settings. It comes with like a bunch of attachments too. So like I said, if you want to fill up balloons, inflatable mattresses, all that stuff. I put a link for this at the bottom of the video where you can grab it up.